Hello everyone, my name is Kenneth Walter, and today I'll be talking to you guys about some of my favorite places to eat at. First up on the list is Wingstop. At Wingstop, my meals usually stay the same, an 8-piece bone-in combo with original hot as the flavor. The combo also comes with fries and a drink, which for me is usually a Coke. If I'm not in the mood for original hot on my wings, I usually go with Louisiana Rub or mild. Next up is Lordsburg Tap House and Grill. While at Lordsburg, I get only two things. If I'm there to have a big meal, I go with their chicken tenders with fries and buffalo sauce on the side. If I'm there for a lunch or just a small meal, I always go there with their Chipotle barbecue chicken sliders. Next up is Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is my go-to place if I want a quick bite. I only get one type of meal there, and it has never changed. It is a spicy chicken meal with either a Coke or sweet tea to drink and barbecue sauce for my fries. Next is Lucille's Smokehouse Barbecue. Lucille's is by far the best barbecue place I have ever been to. I enjoy their biscuits and fries the most, and then normally to go with the fries and biscuits, I get either their ribs or their tri-tip. I also have to have their sweet tea while I'm there. Lastly is Red Devil Pizza in Laverne. Red Devil is the place I eat at the most. My favorite type of pizza there would have to be the dishwasher, which consists of pineapple, bacon, jalapenos, and pepperoni. If I'm not in the mood to have pizza, I always go with their penne pasta with meat sauce. But no matter what, if I get pizza or pasta, whenever I'm at Red Devil, I always have to have their hot wings. Thank you for listening.